I guess I'm live. Okay, yeah. So I am live. Welcome everyone. Hi. So we have some time before 7 o'clock, and yeah, we have 20 seconds. That's fine. Let me. So I'm going to tell you what are we going to learn today. First of all, so the purpose of this video, because uh, a lot of students have asked me how can we add our own characters on Hatch, how can we add our own 3D characters on Hatch and have our own animations, or how do you add animations on your own as well when you're looking for, like, let's say if you want to add uh, a Fortnite character that you a Fortnite character in Hatch with some animations, and you are not able to find the required animations on any model on the internet. Then how do you add those? How do you first of all create such models, and then how do you add those models in Hatch, right? So today I'm going to show you how can we add our own animated characters. So you will notice that I have Sketchfab open here. I'll show you guys everything. Like, I'll show you guys all the steps from the very beginning to the very end. Okay, and you'll learn how to use your own 3D models. So I have already uploaded some models for example. So to show you guys as an example, so I have a Batman character here, and I have added lots of different animations on this Batman character, like walking, running, kicking, punching, and simple character animations, so that I can use this Batman character now on Hatch. Okay, and similarly I have Superman. Then I have added a Santa Claus, given that it's Christmas, so a Santa Claus model. And there is, so I mean, I like anime, so some anime characters. So there is Goku here. Now I have some more characters: Luffy, Ace, and I have Spider-Man as well. So different, any character that you want. The purpose of this session is to show you guys how to animate those characters and how to add those animated characters into Hatch. Okay, so where do we start? Okay, so first of all, you guys need to figure out what character do you want, okay, and how are you going to find that character. So let's say I'm going to use Naruto as an example. I wanted to upload a Naruto character, but I did not, because I wanted to show you guys how to do it by yourself as well. So what do you do? Let's say I want to I'm making a Naruto game, and what I want to do is I want to add a Naruto character who can walk, run, jump, do everything that our player avatars normally do in the Hatch workspace. So we will start with, first of all, finding a 3D model of our character. So Sketchfab is a good place to start looking for 3D models that you might not have. Okay, so if you go to sketchfab.com, on sketchfab.com you can find your own 3D models. So let me just see if my voice is coming. Yeah, my voice is cleared and everything. Okay, so yeah, on Sketchfab you can search for whatever model you want. So let's say I'm searching for Naruto. It's Naruto, yeah. So I'm searching for Naruto, and now here there is a checkbox on Sketchfab. Just select downloadable. So on Sketchfab, some models are not free, some models are free. So downloadable means you will be only seeing free models. Okay, so now when you scroll down, see there are lots of good Naruto characters. The first model also seems really good. Okay, so I'm just opening up the very first model that's shown here, and see. So I have this Naruto character. This seems really good, and you will see that on the free characters. So whenever you are looking for a free character will have this downloadable icon here on the top. This icon means that you can download this model for free. Okay, some models that are not free will have a $sign icon on the top. So for example, you see some of these models have some prices. We don't need to download those models. We can use free models available on the internet. So I'm using this Naruto character. So when I click on this Naruto character, if you scroll down, You will know. So right now, see, this Naruto character does not have any animations. Okay, that is what we are going to do. We are going to find a 3D model from the internet, and then we are going to add animations to this character and then upload that character to Hatch. Okay, so we start by first of all looking for a 3D model. So I've already searched for a 3D model. Now this is my 3D model here. Now scroll down, and for free models, you will see there is a download 3D model button here. When you click on it, it will ask you for which format you want to download your character in. Just ensure that you are downloading an FBX format. Okay, it's FBX is a format that is called film box. It's so FBX format is able to remember stores character animations. Okay, animations that are not stored in other 3D model formats. So there are lots of model formats. There's GLTF. GLTF is GL transmission format, graphics language transmission format. It's used on GLTF is the format that you, if you're viewing a 3D model on the internet, most probably most of those models are auto converted to GLTF. Okay, because to view on web nowadays the most common format is GLTF, but GLTF does there's not a lot of freedom that you can do while working with GLTF right now. So 3D softwares mostly end up having FBX or OBJ. So download an FBX format. That's it. Don't worry about anything else. Download an FBX format. Okay. So there might be, so some models might not have an FBX format. They might have a different format, like Blend or OBJ. So in that case, download OBJ or Blend, and then you will have to then look for converters. So basically, yeah. So you see, I have OBJ to FBX. So I just googled OBJ to FBX, and there are online converters in which you can upload an OBJ file and it will give you the FBX file. Okay, so that is something you will have to do. So right now, because this is already giving me an FBX model, so I will just download this FBX model. Okay, so now see, this Naruto character is getting downloaded. Let it download. So it is 814 KB. That is really small. That is a really good size. 800 KB seems to be a good size. So now let's open up this file. So I have this Naruto zip file here. I'm just going to extract the files. Extract files. Okay. Cool. So close. So Naruto has been extracted here. So now I'm just opening up the file, and here you will see there is a 3D model of my Naruto. See? So you don't have to open up everything. We have to just locate the 3D model where it is. Why? Because now we are going to go to another website called Mixamo.com. Okay? So Mixamo.com is where you can add animations to any 3D character you want, any 3D human shaped character. Okay? So what do? So you see, I have this Batman character here because recently I was working with a Batman character. Now, right now, because I'm going to show you for Naruto, so I'm just going to see there is a button here called Upload Character. All you have to do is click on Upload Character, and then here you see, it says Select Character File. Click on this, and then select your Naruto 3D model from here. Okay, click on Open, and it will upload your character. It will just take 2-3 minutes and upload your character. Once the character is uploaded, now we are going to add animations. This website helps us add animations. So let it just process. Sometimes this takes some time. It's not that time taking a process, but yeah, because we are doing everything online, it depends on the net speed. And right now, because I'm streaming as well as doing this. Okay, so you see this gave an error. Okay, so it was not able to upload my model. That's fine. We can look for some other model. So let's see. There is another Naruto character here. We can try this. Okay, so this is another Naruto model. Let me just try this one. Download. And now see, this one has OBJ. This one does not have an FBX format. If I download this, now this one is also lighter. I'm guessing there are some issues. There might be some issue with not all models will work, so we'll just have to keep on looking for good models. Okay, so there are lots of models available on Sketchfab. Let's see if this one might work. No, this one will not work, I'm very sure. So okay, I think I'm going to try this one. This one looks like it. This one looks good. Yes, this one looks good. I think I'll try this one. So I'm going to click on download 3D models. And here also this one has OBJ. Okay, my phone has switched off, but okay, so people are here, right? So cool. So I am now downloading this bandaged Naruto. Now once I have done that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the file, extract the file. Okay. Now, so I have this 3D model here, and I can just locate the 3D model that you have. Okay. Yeah. So this is my Naruto 3D model. Now what I can do is on Mixamo. So on Mixamo you can upload. So there are options here of what file do you want to upload. You can upload an FBX file, you can upload an OBJ file, or you can upload a zip file. So the OBJ file that I just extracted, the zip file, this I can upload here. And hopefully this is going to, okay. So this is also not able to open up. So it generally takes some time. So what we can do is, I'll show you a different process. So I'm going to open up a separate software called Cinema 4D. It's a 3D editing software. And here I'm going to open up the 3D model that I have of Naruto. Okay. And here, okay, so there are some issues with the characters materials. So I'm just going to change that. Okay, this model seems good. I think I have everything here. I can just, don't worry about what I'm doing here right now. Okay, so this I'm just saving this as an FBX file. So this thing you can do, you can easily do it on the internet as well. Just Google for a different model converter from OBJ to FBX and just do that. So I am just going to look for a new folder, and here I'm going to save my FBX file of Naruto. Okay, so I'm just going to that folder here, and this is my character. And now let's try to upload this character. If this one doesn't upload, then I'm just going to proceed forward with my Batman character, because that is, I know that one works. Okay. Yeah, so Naruto is working right now. Cool. So once Naruto gets uploaded, so you will see the model here like this. Okay. Now, once you see the model here, what we can do is, so once the model is here, so you can just see if the model is uploaded correctly. Okay. And then just click on next. So click on next. So now you will have to tell Mixamo which parts of this character are what. So you'll have to tell which part is the head, arms, legs, all of those things. So you see there are options here. There are parts here: chin, wrists, elbows, knees, and groin. So you just have to use these markers and place them at the proper positions. So I know the chin of my Naruto is this here. Okay. So just take your time, place them properly. Wrist, again, that is here. Okay. You don't have to be very precise about it. It will work even if you have not placed them that properly. So knees would be somewhere around here, and groin is the joint between the legs. So somewhere around here. Okay. So once you have placed, so I'm using symmetrical because it's a symmetrical model. So on the left and right points are placed at the same time. If you have an unsymmetrical model, then do not use symmetry. You will have to place left and right sides individually, and then just click on next. And it will take time to add bones to your character so that it knows how to move the character. Okay. So it will just take around, can take up to 2 minutes. And in the meantime, let's see. So okay, so here once the model loads, now what we want to do, we want this character to have some animations. So make a list of what animations do you need. I want a walking animation, I want a running animation, I want a jumping animation, and then I want turning left and right animations. Okay, so you see now that my character has been rigged, it shows you a default animation indicating that just for you to see if the bones are attached correctly to your model. And this looks really good, right? This animation looks really good on the character. The character seems to be really well attached. So click on next. Click on next, and now your model is displayed here. And now all you have to do is, now done. You don't have to do anything else. Just search for what animations you need. So let's say I want to add a walking animation. So search for walk animation here, and see it gives you lots of walking animations. All you have to do is select whichever one you like the best. So you see this is a walking animation and it is applied on Naruto. So walking animation, I want the Naruto character to walk in at one position. Why? Because the forward, backward changing of position, that will be coded in the game. Okay, so that is why select the in place check mark for walking. And yeah, this looks really good. This looks really realistic. There are some scales here, so you can change the space between his arms. So if you see, if you increase it too much, the arms will be like that. If you reduce it, then the arms will go inside the body. Depends on the shape of your character. If your character is very obese, then you can have the arms spread around. If your character is very skinny, then you can have the arm. You can control it here. That's the point. And overdrive basically means speed. So overdrive, how much energy the character is putting into that animation. So you can just see, if I make it overdrive fast, see, it's just putting too much energy into the walk. Just set whatever values you need here. And now, all you have to do is just download this animated character. So click on download. So it is downloading an FBX file. Download with skin. With skin means the skin of Naruto. Okay. And don't change anything here. Just click on download. And this just downloads the walking animation. Okay. So this will download the walking animation of my Naruto character. Now similarly, I can search for run. And so one thing I forgot to tell you guys, Mixamo, on this you will need to create an account. So it is connected with Adobe. So just create it doesn't cost you anything. It's a free account. Just you'll have to create an Adobe account to go to Mixamo. Okay. So now here, so I searched for running, and see I have lots of good running animations. And let's try this one. Again, so Naruto is changing its position while the character is running. I don't want that. So I select in place, and see this running animation looks good, right? Do I want the speed of my Naruto to increase? Yeah, running faster or running slower. You can just control some parameters. I want a bit more space in the arms. And then there is style. So just some, the way Naruto runs. You can, if you have watched the anime, you will see how he runs. Okay, so yeah, I think I'll go with this. But I'll need more overdrive in this then. Yeah. This looks, they put both of their arms in the back, we can't do that. So just a bit exaggerated run. I'm happy with this. Click on download. Just keep on downloading each animation, okay? So I'm downloading, now running, okay? So once running is done, turning left and turning right. So turning left and right, you can just search for left or right. The correct terminology for that is strafe left or right. So I'm just searching for strafe, S-T-R-A-F-E. Okay. So it means it's just trying to turn left or right. So here also there are lots of animations. I know that there is a walk strafe left. Yeah. So here again, in place, and character arms a bit, yeah. And download this one as well. Now I can mirror this to make it strafe to the right side. So click on mirrors. It will just flip the animation to the opposite side, download that. And now we need jumping animation. So jumping will require two different animations. One is jumping up. So there is a different pose of the character when our characters jump up in a game, and there is a different pose of our character when the character falls down, right? So we will need two different animations for jump. So I know that there is a pose here called dynamic. I'll search for dynamic, and this, when you change its Y position, it will look like it's jumping up. So I'm going to use this pose for jumping up. So click on download and download this. Okay. Now this is done. And what do we need? Falling down. So fall. And fall also has a good animation of this. So falling idle, just keep on, it has a lot of animations, the mixamo.com. You can search for whatever animation you want. So see, now I have this falling animation, and I can just download this here as well. Now, if you want some special animation in your character, you can do that as well. So there is a Deadpool animation project that you guys learn in the Camp12 classes. And that was also, the model was animated using this website. So what dance do you want? Let's search for dance. Okay, let's search for dance, and you can just select whatever. Yeah, funny. Okay, this is a cool. You can, there are lots of dance options. Let's try this one. So cool. So it's working. Any dance can be added, and you can download that. Okay, so for now I'm going to, let's say, search for something funny. Hip hop. Yeah, this one. All right, this works. Arms, stance, overdrive, fine. So this is cool here. Let's this run. Yeah, so this is my Naruto character dancing. Okay, I will download this one as well. So what all did we do? We downloaded walking, running, turning left, turning right, jumping up, jumping down. We need one simple standing animation so that the character, whenever it's not doing anything else, it's just simply standing. So let's look for that. So I'm just searching for idle. Idle means doing nothing. Yeah. So idle has lots of good options here again for animations. So here, see, this is a simple like breathing and standing animation. So I'll download this one as well. Now, once you have done this much, what we will do is we are going to go back to wherever we were downloading our files. Okay, so downloads. Now you see all of my all the files I downloaded are here. Okay, the walk strafe left brackets may 1. This is basically the strafe right. So I'll just do this right. Okay. Now all of these, let's just put them into one folder. So I'm going to create a folder called Naruto. Fine, new folder, and let's drag all of these files into my new folder, and let's go into that new folder. Now here, what we need to do is, this is important because Sketchfab asks you to add all the animations into one folder. So I'm going to create a new folder, and you need to name it animations. animations, animations. You need to name this file animations. Let me just check if everything is working here. So yeah. So guys, I'm not able to, let me just go through. Hi, that's fine. No, I'm not ignoring anyone. I just saw the messages here. I'm really sorry. My phone turned off. I was keeping track of the comments, the chat here, but my phone turned off, so I'm not able to keep track of it. I'm really sorry about that. Okay. Good. Hey, Al Khalifa. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the video. Okay, so yeah, so now what I did was I created a folder called animations, and what you will do here is select all the files except for the simple standing animation. Okay, so the idle, except for the idle one, select all the other animations and put them into this animations folder. Okay, so Sketchfab will know that these are all the animations that are available in the character and this is the default animation. Okay, now what you have to do is select both of these and put them into a zip folder. So compressed folder, make a zip file. I can name it Naruto. And now, done. We have to just go to sketchfab.com. So on Sketchfab also, you'll have to create an account everywhere. So all of these are free accounts, but because you have to upload and download characters, so you need an account. Okay, there is an upload button on Sketchfab. Just click on upload, and here the zip file that you just created containing the animations folder and the idle animation, just drag this and here upload it and click on upload files. Sketchfab will upload. You can give your character a name. So I'm just going to give it Hatch Naruto. So the reason I'm giving it the name Hatch in the beginning is because it will make it easier for me to search in the Hatch workspace. If I search the Hatch keyword, this model will pop up. And I know that not a lot of models have the word Hatch in their names. So it just makes it easier for me to find this model. You can give it a description. So I'm just going to give it a 3D model of Naruto to be used in your games. So I want, this is going to be a free model, a 3D rigged model, okay? I'm just writing anything here, don't worry. And there is a download option, see here, make it free. To access a 3D model on Hatch, the model needs to be free. Okay, if it's a paid model, you will not be able to see it on Hatch. So yeah, you have to make it free and give it some categories. So I know it's just some categories, yeah, and some tags. So VR, AR, Naruto, anime, One Piece. I'm just giving it some tags so that it makes it easier to search. Sasuke. just names. I know that if people search these things, then my model also pops up. Okay, so the model is ready here. You can click on the play button here and it says loading 3D model, and you can see how your model will look. See? Okay, you can full screen this. Now here you see it has a list of all the animations that you just added. Okay. And by default, it's doing the idle animation. Awesome. So now give it a name, a description, some categories, and some tags, and make the model free. Once you make the model free, click on save and publish. Okay. So now your model is published now. Okay. So now you will be able to find it on Hatch as well. But the thing is, this will take some time to become free. So now if you just close this window, and if you just go to your models, so there is a profile picture on the top, click on the drop down, and there is a models button here. So if you click on your models, you will see that your downloadable models that you have added, those have this download icon on the top right. My Hatch Naruto does not have that downloadable icon right now, because it takes models, whenever you upload, they take some time to become downloadable. So because Sketchfab is converting it into a GLTF format that can be run on web. Okay, so it will take some time, and once after some time the model will be downloadable. Okay, so that is why what I'm going to show you right now is, that is why I added all of these models. So Batman, Superman, Goku, and Santa. Okay, and all of them, I've given them the name Hatch Batman, Superman, Hatch Santa, Goku. What I can do is, I'm just going to go to the workspace, the Hatch workspace, and in 3D models, now what I will do is, I'll go to Sketchfab and search for Hatch, H-A-T-C-H, and select the animated checkbox here. And you see all of my models appear here. So I have Hatch Goku, I can add this. I have Hatch Batman, I can add this one as well. And I have Hatch Santa, and I can add this one as well. Now you'll have to see that all of these models that I have uploaded are less than 5 MB. Okay, 5 MB is the size limit for viewing models inside the Hatch workspace. It's okay if you're uploading a larger file size on Sketchfab. On Sketchfab, you can upload a huge file. That's okay. 50 MB, that will also work on Sketchfab. But so I'll tell you how can you add those models on your Hatch workspace as well. So here you can only view models in that Sketchfab category, models of size till 5 MB. Okay. So you see now I added, I need some more lights here. Let me just add an ambient light. Yeah. So you see I have my Batman here. I can make the Batman be visible here, and I can increase its size. So yeah, see, that is my Batman. And in the Batman model, see, built-in animations has all the animations that I added. So I added walking, turning left, right, running to the left, running to the right, punching, kicking, jumping up, falling down, and standing idle. All of those animations, the ones that I showed you for Naruto. Okay, I added those models here. So here what I can do is, let's do this. I'm going to do this, make it do the kick animation. Okay, and then I have my Goku character here. Let me increase its size. Yeah, so this is my Goku character that again I added using Sketchfab, the animations that I added on my own. And here also I have all of the animations I showed you guys. So I can do a punching animation for this one. And I have a Santa model here. So let's, okay, Santa didn't seem to be added correctly. It's only mustache is visible. There seems to be some issue with Santa. I can delete the Santa model, that's fine. I can upload another Santa model. All right. So now you see, if I go to play, you see I have these characters. I just added these characters. And I have added my own animations using Mixamo.com. And now I can use these characters as my own player avatars. So now I can use, what I can do is I can just use keyboard events. So in the first week of January of this year, in January, this is 2021, January 2021, I did another CamQ12 episode where I showed you guys how to use these animated characters as players. Okay, so you can watch that. There I have shown once you have these animated models, then how to use them as player avatars. So you just use keyboard events and say that when you press the up arrow key, the character's animation should change to the walking animation. When you press the space arrow key, the character's animation should change to the jumping up animation. And when you release the up arrow key, when you release the space key, the character's animation should change back to falling animation. And then the moment my character collides with the ground, change its animation back to standing animation. And by just defining different events of when this happens, change the animation to whatever you want, you will be able to use these characters as your own game characters in whatever you're building. All right. So I have Batman, I have Goku. Now, what if your models are larger than 5 MB? Okay. So I'm seeing that my Naruto model is still being processed. So what I can do is I'll show you here. So once you have uploaded a model and once the model becomes downloadable from Sketchfab, so give it like half an hour and it will be downloadable again. This Naruto model will be downloadable. Okay. But I uploaded this Batman model last night. So this is available. This is already downloadable. So see, once a model is downloadable, you will be able to see the download 3D model button here. Right now for my Naruto, there is no download 3D model button here. Okay, so give it some time, it will become downloadable. But let's say a model that you can view on Sketchfab has but you are not able to find that model on Hatch. Okay, so what do? You can just go to that model, click on download model. And this time, because you know that it has all the animations, so you do not download the FBX, but you download the GLTF. Download it, and it will download a zip file. Okay, it will download a zip file here, and doesn't matter what the file size is. Once the model is downloaded, I will show you a cool trick. So I don't even have to go to Sketchfab anymore. The model is downloaded on my system. I can delete this Goku, I can delete this Batman that I have here, and I can, so you see if I go to 3D models, there is a My Uploads option. Click on that, and here you just have to drag this zip file that you just downloaded. And done. So your model will get uploaded, and you will have the freedom to use those animations that you just added to Sketchfab. So once the model is uploaded, just click on the plus sign, and see, the model has been added here. Now this is something I just now added from my system. This is a model that I did not add from Sketchfab. I did not add from Sketchfab to Hatch. I downloaded the model from a website, and then I'm uploading it to Hatch. Okay. And here, because I know that my Batman character had some animations, those animations, see, are going to be visible here, built-in animations. All of the animations that you were seeing in the Sketchfab option are visible here. Let me give you another example. So if I, let's use, okay, Santa was not visible correctly, right? So let's use Santa, okay? So I'm going to download Santa here and download the auto-converted GLTF. And then what I can do is I can go to My Uploads and then upload the Santa model. And once the Santa model is uploaded, see, asset uploaded successfully, file has been uploaded successfully. Click on the plus sign. And okay, so the GLTF conversion from Sketchfab was faulty, because of which Santa did not upload properly. Let's try, fine, that's okay. Let's try Superman. So Superman, download 3D model. So see, I know that these models are less than 5 MB, so they will anyways be available when I search in the Sketchfab category. If you search Superman in the Sketchfab category, you will find this model as one of the options, okay? I'm just showing you what will you do in case your models are larger than 5 MB, because Hatch will not show that those models in the search option when you search for those models in Sketchfab or Poly category, okay? So when you know the model that you are looking for is larger than 5 MB, just download the model. Just download the GLTF model. So I'm downloading the Superman model, and then I can click on this 3D model option, click on My Uploads. So My Uploads option is not available for kids.hatchxr. It's only available for HatchXR. For kids, because we want to make things simple. So whatever is available on the internet, let's just make them use that. But because on adults, things can be more complicated, so I can just now upload my own 3D models here. So Superman, I'm just dragging the zip file. And once the model gets added here, I can just click on the plus sign and see my Superman model has been added. Now I can make a Batman versus Superman game. And I know that I have added different animations for my Superman as well. And those are visible here. Flying, running, all of those things. So all of those are visible here. And same goes for Batman, right? Okay, cool. Okay, so this is, there is nothing to publish here. I was just showing you guys how to add characters. Okay, you guys can search for these models on Sketchfab. Just go to sketchfab.com. Or just Google Sketchfab, Google Mixamo, and you will be able to find these websites that I just mentioned. We are just using two websites. We are looking for 3D models on Sketchfab, downloading those 3D models, adding animations using Mixamo.com, and then putting them together in a zip file and uploading them back into Sketchfab. Okay? And once the models are uploaded, processed properly, you will be able to download them and upload them on Hatch, or you will be able to directly search them on Hatch. Okay, so you don't need the file here. If you guys need it, I'm guessing I can publish this 3D models. Learn how to add your own 3D models. Okay, cool. And publish this. I'm sending you guys this link. There is nothing in this project, by the way, so you guys will not miss anything here. Okay, cool. So yes, awesome. So that's the project. This was a process. If you guys are ever confused about how to about any other if you guys have any other questions, then let's say you guys have a question. So I did all of this I added animations on FBX format, and then I uploaded them to Hatch in GLTF format. The conversion between FBX to GLTF happened on Sketchfab. Okay, we did not have to convert FBX to GLTF. Okay, so yeah, but in case you guys have other questions about other 3D formats like OBJ, or there are lots of other 3D formats, how to convert those to FBX, or how to convert those to how to upload them to Mixamo and everything, there is a Discord channel's link in the video's description. You can join the Hatch Discord channel and ask any questions, post any bugs or issues that you're having with Hatch. Me and my teammates are available there, so we respond and we address those issues as soon as we can. All right. And other than that, so we have also started posting tutorials, as I mentioned in my last video as well. We have also started posting tutorials. So this is the Hatch YouTube channel, and you will find there are some Hatch tutorial videos on this channel. Okay, and every week now we are going to be adding more and more tutorial videos. So you guys, anybody who wants to learn more and more about the Hatch workspace, you guys can watch those videos and learn about Hatch as well. All right, cool. So this was it for today, and I hope you guys learned something, and that we can I have some other ideas of what you guys can post on Discord. What would you like me to teach? What would you guys learn? Oh, it's saying that the Discord link has been expired. Let me add a new link. I'm so sorry. This invite people. Never. Okay. Okay, cool. So I have this is the Discord link. Okay, you guys can join this and then post whatever you guys want to learn. That's okay. If you don't have an account on Discord, we are available on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. Whatever you use, we are available. You can just post and we will address your issues. Okay, cool. See you guys. Bye bye. This was the end of the stream. Bye.